Today I'm going to be showing you a quick recipe on how I make my Nigerian puff puff. So I have in here 3 cups of flour, I have a cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast and a teaspoon of nutmeg. I've got warm water which I'm going to use for the mixing, and then I've got oil right here for frying the puff puff. So stick around as I go through the process of showing you how I make my quick Nigerian puff puff.
It's Melody Songs, the humble producer.
Okay, so now the puff puff is ready. I'm just gonna go through it to make sure the trapped egg comes out, so it's ready to fry. I'm gonna move this over here. I've got my oil on the burner, so I'm just gonna try one out and see what it looks like. Don't judge me, I'm not an expert at puff puff shape. So let's see how that turns out. Okay, we're just gonna wait a little bit, let that oil heat up. Because if the oil is hot enough, once you put it in, it's supposed to come right up to the surface. So because the oil is not hot enough, it's taking a little bit of time. So let's give that some assistance. Just wait for that to... Okay, the oil is hot enough now, so I'm just gonna start the frying process. Don't judge the shape of my puff puff before I say make. So when you put it in, it should rise straight up if the oil is hot enough. I'm just gonna turn that down so it doesn't get too hot. If it gets too hot, then it can be brown on the outside or golden on the outside, but inside is not cooked. So continue with that.
Tongs, the humble producer.
That's my first batch of puff. I'm gonna put it here in the paper towel. Just drain out the excess oil. Just put it on any kitchen napkin or paper towel. Drain out the excess oil. And then just continue with the process. It's a yummy puff puff. That yummy? Yummy. You like it? Yeah. You think?
Please don't forget to subscribe.